Uh-oh, there's the crack. There's a hairline right there. There's the hairline right there. Let's see how far we can get. It's very foolish of me, but I'm pretty sure this is rock solid. So, oh yeah, she's thick right here. Oh yeah. I already know how deep this water is. It's only about up to my waist, so we'll be all right. I'm not going that far, but this is pretty cool right here. Let's see if we can. Woo! Woo! Look at this. This is cool. Woo! Oh! Need some ice skates. Woo!